G'day everyone, it's Chriso. I'm just about to start the second coat of this bathroom, but I was just having lunch and I thought, I haven't shown you guys how you measure up and get the quantities of your tiles. So here we go. Right, you always go your walls. Don't worry about your doors, you just go right on past them. You hold it there, you go right around, don't worry about the window, include that, don't take out the window, don't take out the door, okay? So we've got 7.9 metres, you call it 8. 8 metres, and the wall height is 2.7. Oh no, that's 2.9. Okay, call it 3 metres. So 8 3s 24. That's your square metres needed. That is like that's a high ceiling, unnecessary. But okay, I want to check that because the owner said to me that. Because I said to her, allow 20%. She said to me, and the tiles are delivered in the garage, she's got 23.4. So that's pretty cool. I'll have enough, but I still should have a little bit more left over. I will let her know. Okay, so now we do the floor. So that's how you get your walls, people. You go right around with your tape, and it's that distance by the height. So that was nearly 3 metres. That was 8 metres right around, 8 3s 24. Then you should add on 20%. The rule of thumb used to be 10%, but tiles are bigger now, so you've got bigger waste, you've got bigger cuts. When a tile was a 250 by 200, you'd have smaller waste. Now you got a 6 by 3, so your waste is always bigger. I hope I've explained that properly. When you're doing your floor, you go 2.1, by 19, so you go 2 by 2, so 2 2s are 4, that's 4 square metres. Add on 20%. 10% is 0.4, so it's 20% is 0.8, 4.8 square metres. And I think she's got about 6. That's the floor tile there, the black one. So I'll be using black grout. Ooh, black grout. But it's all right. It's for the floor. And then that's the tile for the wall. So that's how you measure up, people. Stay tuned, subscribe, we'll see you soon. Yo!